What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope all you guys are doing well. Today we have another special piece for the Civic. Didn't anticipate getting it as soon as I thought I did, but it was local and it was a pretty good deal, so I couldn't pass up on the offer. But I did pick up a front grille for the Civic. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the facelifted front grille for the 2012 Honda Civic sedans. This front grille was an overseas option only. It was never offered in the States. I really like this front grille. This front grille gives the front end a more classy look, and once I get it installed, you guys will see what I'm talking about. But I'm super happy to finally got my hands on this. Super hard to find these in the States as well. And although I wanted this to be an OEM piece, this is a replica piece. But I'm not too bummed about that. You know, it is what it is. It's hard to get the OEM grills here in the States. And when you do find an OEM grill, they do go upwards to about $400 or $500. So I guess for the price that I paid for this, I can't complain. And it is brand new. Yeah, so again, I didn't anticipate getting this as soon as I thought I would. But this was the final piece that I was going for to complete the front end that I'm going for. And once I have it all complete, you'll see why I love this front end so much. Yes, I'm super excited. I know that this is gonna look good on the car, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get this installed. Alright, so this is the 2012 USDM Honda Civic front grille. Originally, this piece right here is finished off in gloss black, but I decided to paint match it because I think there was too much black going on the front, and that does break it up a little bit. I also did debadge the SI emblem right here. I just think it looks a whole lot cleaner without having the SI badge right there. Also, this grille did crack on the mounting points right here, as you can see, and right here. So in order to remove the front grille, you will need to remove the bumper. But first, you will need to undo these two 10mm bolts. You also have two bumper clips on the rad support that you will need to undo too. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, and also the two screws, if you still have it, that holds on your bumper. But yeah, besides that, once you undo all those, the bumper should just pop right off, and you got 4 bumper clips holding the grille onto the bumper. And once you undo those, the front grille will just pop right out. So pretty self-explanatory. Let me go ahead and throw you guys on tripod, and let's get that grille installed. The notorious 10mm socket. I have like 20 of these, and I've lost 23 of them. So stock these up, boys. Alright, there it is, guys. The facelift front grille is installed on the Civic. Yeah, this front grille does clean up the front end a lot more. It does look more classy, and that chrome, not a huge fan of chrome, but in this instance it's working well with the headlights and the fog light bezel, so pretty stoked about that. But yeah, this is how she looks, guys. I am missing the Honda emblem, but I do have one on order, so that one should be coming in soon. Once that does, I'll be slapping that one on. But yeah, man, this grill looks so good. So good. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up here. Let me know what you guys think about this front grille. Do you guys prefer this grill or the USDM grill? For me personally, this is the grill to get. This one does freshen up the front end a lot more. It does give the Civic a more modern look, and all together with the complementary pieces, I think it works very well. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in all the way to the end. Do stay tuned. The Modulo V3 front lip will be going on this week, so I'll make sure to be updating you guys on that as well, and that should complete the front end for 2023. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and remember to always stay lurking. Peace.